So my aunt is due to travel on Friday, and somebody asked her to bring this slippers. Put it together. This ugly looking slippers. It's good to be a Christian child. So she prayed and said, why would slippers be heavy and ugly like this? Only for her to check it though. She's supposed to go back to Dublin on Friday, and look at this. Hidden passports inside slippers. Wickedness. Red passports and blue passports. We've not opened this one, no, but it looks like, oh my god, passports are also inside this. You guys, when you're taking stuff for people, please beware. I'm not saying you should not help, but now beware. Scatter it if possible. Just look at this. They will put her enemy in trouble. It's an enemy they'll put in trouble. Can you imagine how many? 2? Unbelievable.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about now wow, not the way Musa no go see for ghetto, not the way person no go see for this social media. Sha. I just did on my own just now. Now one of my Ogbonge fans just sent me one video just now. More now let me share this video because the whole world need to see this video because of people wey be say where they carry things come from Nigeria. In case you get brother, you get sister, you get uncle where they carry something they come from Nigeria. Make you share this video, go give them because so many people they made this kind of mistake too, you understand? So that so many people go here waiting they happen. This lady, she want carry something. So as she dey carry the something they come, and I know say the one person carry things come. If you know say with the carry things they come from Nigeria, come from any African country where you dey. Now they talk to so. Now they talk to. So now the woman can say the shoe, you get 2 shoes where they bring can't give her. So then she can't talk, say this shoe, the way it's heavy, I don't understand that. Make I check whether something did the shoe, because the shoe just heavy. Now the woman can't check, my darling people. As the woman just check, what you see, you can't say the shoe. They can't say make they check the side, they can't cut them small. They can't say passport full inside the shoe. You know, say what Igbo people cannot do does not exist. Igbo made. You know that their shoes now, they can't cut them for side. They can't put this passport inside the shoe. So as they can't put the passport, so the woman can, as they can't put the passport, my darling people, one of the list, you know. So the woman can, they can't seal the passport. They can't use gum. Whether not gum, they can't say gum. I don't know. They can't gum. Instead, what they for tell the person say, see what it there inside though. In case you feel airports carry them, they not talk. These people can't just put the passport inside the can't gum. Okay, let's assume say this woman now they carry this in they go airport. You can't reach airport now, they can't see that thing. How she go fit a dinner? How she go fit a dinner and say this thing say not be you? She not go fit dinner. Even though you talk, say na person give you, as far as say that you they carry the thing they go. You not go fit dinner, my brother or my sister. So you see, some they put all those this thing inside the way. Some put all those ashish or cocaine. They'll put that for inside. Igbo, not the way they know they do. So you when they bring something come from Nigeria, dey careful. Make sure say you dey check wetin you want bring come. Make sure say you dey check am. Because if you not check am, you go put yourself for one chance. You go put yourself for one chance. The way this woman for just enter one chance for nothing. You understand? So you want to bring something come from Nigeria, dey careful, I beg. I use God take beg una. I use God wey dey heaven take beg una. Make sure say you check am. Make sure say you check am. Make you not go enter one chance. You understand? Make you not go enter one chance. So just see the way this woman for just take enter one chance now. If not be say she check am now, how she will fit deny am? How? That is why. If me go Nigeria, I dey make sure say anything where anybody want bring for me, go open up my present. I go come check am one by one. And so you have to check am. You have to open everything. Not let person go put you for problem where you not expect. Not let person go put you for one chance. You understand? Not let person go put you for problem. If you just enter kiri for there now, nobody will come ask of you for there apart from your family member wey even nice. If not be say this woman use the brain to look the shoe, take cross check again. See, this shoe is just heavy. Why this shoe heavy like this? Like they see passports inside. Now they see passports inside though. This woman now for just enter one chance. Even though you dey go Nigeria too, make sure you check anything you carry. If somebody give you something, say me carry. Make sure say you see check am. Make sure say you see check am. Make you not go enter one chance. So if you enter one chance, you don't finish. Before you know what they happen, you don't enter prison where you don't expect. I don't know one, I don't know two. You don't dey too late. And if you see the travel, you see somebody tell you, say, I bet me hold this bag and they come. No carry. No carry. Because if you carry that bag, now you go put yourself for another one chance again. You go put yourself for another one chance. This woman herself, he even still goes in her passport. Supposing this thing, all those ones where they smoke. How the woman for say reason in life? Thank God, say she never even come out. You understand? So my dear sister and my dear brothers, them where they do this business not dey easy, not be more. This business is not dey easy at all. Everybody knows say this business not dey easy. So you where they do the business, dey careful, my brother or my sister. Dey careful. Me, you not go put yourself for one chance. Dey very, very careful. You understand? Thank God for this woman life. Say she never come out. As she for take do I just thank God for her life. I thank God for this woman life. Say she never put herself for one chance. So my bonga people, anything you wanna think about this video, wanna leave a comment for the comment section. Wanna help me share the video. Please help me to share the video. The hand will share this video. It blesses, and this hand is also big money. Now you go to carry. So blessings. I beg, wanna help me share. Now that one also say help me. You understand? Let me share the video. Who watch and share? You watch, you share. Now so it be. So we take the help the business. You understand? So thank you, my bonga people. Take care. I need to wanna think about the video. Wanna leave in a comment for the comments.
My aunt is due to travel on Friday, and somebody asked her to bring this slippers. Put it together. This ugly looking slippers. Good to be a Christian child. So she prayed and said, why would slippers be heavy and ugly like this? Only for her to check it though. She's supposed to go back to Dublin on Friday, and look at this. Hidden passports inside slippers. Wickedness. Red passports and blue passports. We've not opened this one, no, but it looks like, oh my God. Passports are also inside this. You guys, when you're taking stuff for people, please beware. I'm not saying you should not help, but now beware. Scatter it if possible. Just look at this. They'll put her enemy in trouble. It's an enemy they'll put in trouble. Can you imagine how many? 2? Unbelievable. Guys, please be careful. Please be careful. Just look at this. Just look at this. Eh? Just look at this.